السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم عدد خلقك ورضا نفسك وزنة عرشك ومداد كلماتك. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد عدد ما ذكره الذاكرون وغفل عن ذكره الغافلون. What's up everyone? Islam is here and today I have a question for you. What would you do if you lost your key or even it got burned? Nothing. You get over it. You order the part, and I will share with you how to program it. Stay tuned. Welcome back, and let's do this. When you buy the key, make sure it's in unused state. They call it a version key. Go ahead and connect the programming device. In my case, it's MaxiFlash Elite. Turn on the MaxiFlash. Turn on the MaxiSys Elite. Turn on the ignition, but not the car. Two green check marks means the programming device is connected to your car. Here is the old smart key, and here is the new smart key. Now press Diagnostics. Click on VIN and press Auto Detect. The device will scan the VIN. Choose your car make. Scroll down and press Accept. Verify the VIN and press OK. Press Radar Cruise. Choose with the smart key. Verify car information and press Yes. Press Hot Functions. Click on Immo and Keys. Choose Auto Remote Match. Press Smart Key. Choose Smart Code Registration Classic. This function registers a new smart code. Press OK. Make sure the ignition is on, but not the car. Press Next. Select I'm just registering keys. Then press Next. Read this information to know how many keys you have registered. Press Next. Touch power switch with the old key. Now, touch power switch with the new key. You can program more keys if you want. If you don't want, you can wait or press register. Congratulations, you have a new smart key. Okay guys, that was it. Now you have a new smart key. And if you think I helped you, please like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe for more. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك، نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. See ya.